you doing? Hello everyone, my name is Ndubuis Chinwendu Ndubuis. I'm a software instructor based in United Kingdom. That is for those of you that doesn't know me. Well, I've been on this course for a while now in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Chinwendu Ndubuis. Chinwendu Ndubuis. You go there, you will see different kind of teaching. The teaching has been going on for a while. But before I proceed, if you are interested, it's not by force something. If you are interested on the full video of this lecture, software testing, if you are interested, you want to be a software tester, either mobile testing, computer or whatever. If you are interested on this, you can call me on this number +4474 71061261. I call again +4474 71061261 +4474 71061261. Or you can email me in my email, which is Chinwendu Ndubuis 87@gmail.com. Chinwendu Ndubuis 87@gmail.com. Yeah, if you're interested on the course, you need the full video, the full album of this course. Call me, I'm gonna sell it out to you. Then, but before I proceed, I would like to. Then, if you're interested in learning coding on how to code, yes, on how to code, on how to develop an app, you can as well email me or call me. Then I will link you up to that. You know, in this life there is no education is a waste, no knowledge is a waste. Anything at all you learn, in one way or the other, it will be useful to you. Most especially now that the world is digital. Yes, the world is digital. Everything now is internet. Everything is internet, computer, and all that. So you can be in your house just like an instructor like me. You can be teaching. You can work in the company. Depend on how you want it. If you want to be an instructor, fine. If you want to work in the company, fine. It's left to you. Depends on what you want. So that is all about that. I've been on it for a while now. I've been teaching on it, but this video is a special one. I've done a special for the beginners because I know that some people are just starting to follow me up. That's why I'm starting from the beginning again, so that everyone can as well follow me up. Then if you want the full video of it, please don't hesitate to call my number or you email me. There are some other ones that are attached. If you want to know how to do testing on mobile, that is phone, because I base my own area of concentration is software testing, like computer and other. But if you want to know how to do testing on mobile, which is phone, then call me. Then if you want to know how to do coding, you want to know how to develop an app, man, if you develop an app and sell it, you will make it. You will be a billionaire. It's just like Facebook, WhatsApp, all those people, they sat down and they learn, and you try and learn and try to see what you can do. It's not making money, it's not by struggling, go here and there. You can be in your house and be making your money. Yeah, you can be in your house and be making your money. Just like me, I'm in my house. I can do it anytime. In the night, in the morning, I teach. You can be in your money with your, you can be in your house with your computer and you make your money. And you sell your product, do different kind of thing. So it's not by running up and down, carrying load, or doing there and there. That's when you know that you make it. There are so many ways that you can make your money. So software testing is a very good course. It's a course, something that you'll be doing even when you grow old. When you're old, you'll be doing it on your own. You can open your own school, employ people. Software testing people will, patronize you. So it's a very nice course. It's a very nice course. Both app developer and software tester, both of them work hand to hand in the organization anywhere at all. So it's a very nice, because as a software tester you need to know how to as well know how to write a code. You're supposed to know how to do coding, yes, as a software tester. So it's a very nice course. But before I proceed, if you are interested on my lecture, please always join me on my YouTube channel, Chinwendu Ndubuis. Yes, very soon I'm going to invite some other people as well that will join me to and contribute to this teaching as well. So it's a very, very nice course that you wouldn't miss out from it. You will learn a lot. So today I have various topics. There's I have plenty topic to treat on, but what I'm going to do today, I'll just hit a little bit of them, hit one after the other. Then when I come next time, we'll start from the beginning, software testing. So I have here, like this software testing, when you are done with it, you can as well enroll yourself on the exam. Yes, you can enroll yourself on the exam. When you write the exam and you pass it, then you become an instructor. If you want to work in the company, you can go and enroll yourself, or just have experience. In these days, what matter now is experience. Do you have experience? Even if you're going to look for a job, what they look at for is people that are experienced people. That is what they look at. If you know how to do the work very well and perfectly well, when you go out there and you know what you're doing, you will get what you want, you get that job. It is when you don't. Some people, they have the highest qualification, if you see the certificate they carry, but just because of they are not experienced, they don't have the experience of what they are carrying up and down. That's why some of them, they find it difficult to get a good job. But just try and start somewhere, have that experience, then from there you will go more higher. So after this, when you finish the software testing, you can enroll yourself on the company, the ISTQB. I don't know if you know about ISTQB, International Software Testing Qualification Board. Yes, International Software Testing Qualification Board is an Indian man that teach about the course. You teach about it, you sell it online. Then when you enroll yourself, you learn. If you want to do it online, fine. If you want to register on the university, you can do it. Then after that, you enroll yourself for the exam. Exam is here in UK. The exam is £163. Yes, £163. Oh no, yeah, £163. Then you enroll yourself, write the exam. If you pass, they will give you certificates. You can become an instructor, or you can go and work in the company, depending on how you want it. The same thing, app development. If you want to know how to develop an app, know how to do coding, you can as well enroll yourself. So that is it. Please, if you need the full album of this recording, of this program, this lecture, you want the full of it from the beginning to the end, please call me on this number, +44 74 71 06 1261, +44 74 71 06 1261. I call it again, +44 71 +44 74 71 06 1261. Or you can as well email me in my email, Chinwendu Ndubuis 87@gmail.com. Chinwendu Ndubuis 87@gmail.com. Yeah, today I just want to treat on the topics, various topics that we'll be treating on accordingly. First of all, I have fundamental of testing. Yes, fundamental of testing. Then another one is why is testing necessary? Why do you think that testing is important in the organization? Yes, testing is very, very important in the organization. Just like, for example, let me use example, Ethiopian Airline that crashed last year, 2019. that about 157 people lost their life. It was because of the plane was not tested. Yes, there was no proper testing on that software. So software testing is very, very important in the organization. Anything electronics, proper testing is very, very important. Just like cars, some people, they don't service their car, they'll just go on the road and accident occur. So software testing is very, very necessary in anything concerning electronics. Anything concerning electronics is very, very important in the organization. Then, definition of testing. Testing, definition of software testing. Software testing is defined as a process of investigation to know if a software application has a bug and if it can perform what is expected to do. Yes, when you have a software, if a work of a tester is to conduct tests on it, to expose those bugs that are there, to know if the software can do what is expected to do. Yes, that is what we know as software testing. When the software application fails to work or has a minor issue, it can cause huge problems and frustrations such as company reputation, loss of money, loss of life. When a software application fails to work or has a minor issue, it can cause huge problem, frustration such as company reputation, time wasted, and loss of money. It can frustrate your life. So software testing is very, very important in the organization. Then we have another one, 7 testing principles. That is principles of testing. Yes, this one is another topic. Principle of testing. What are the principles of testing? We know principles of testing as 1. Testing does not show the testing show the presence of defects, not the absence. Yes, testing show what has made a system not to function, not what's the problem that has caused before. No, that is not the work of testing. Then 2, testing. Early testing saves time and money. Yes, when a software developer is developing a software, if a tester is not introduced earlier, it's going to cause problem. Yes, it's going to cause problem, because after building that software and at the end it didn't work, it will be a waste of money, a waste of time and everything. So early testing save time and money. Save time and money. Then the next one is defect cluster together. These are the principles of testing. You find out the places why the defects cluster together. Then another one is beware of pesticide paradox. Yes, if the same tests are being repeated over and over again, eventually the same set of test cases will no longer find any defect. For example, just like same way that the insecticide is weak to kill insect after a while being spread. When you spread an insecticide in a place where you have an insect, when it kills them for a moment, after some time it won't have that strength to kill them. They will just be going on their own. That's what we mean by beware of pesticide paradox. Then another one, testing is context independent. Testing is context dependent. Yes, context dependent means that the way you test a phone will be different from the way you test a computer. Yes, so it's a different thing entirely. Then another one is absence of error is a fallacy. There's no way you will tell me that a phone doesn't have an error on it. Some of them shows, some of them doesn't show. That is when we go deep in this course, I will be teaching you one after the other about how this software testing, how a software works. Then another one is I think that's the 7th one. Yes, absence of error is a fallacy. Then another topic that we'll be treating upon is fundamental test process. Test process, ISO IEC/2911-1. There are people responsible for test process. Fundamental test process, which are known as planning, analyzing, designing, implementation, evaluation, test closure, monitoring, test monitoring, test executions, the process of testing, how testing goes, how does it goes. Then another one is the psychology of testing. The psychology of testing, code of ethics. Yes, this is the first stage that we'll be treating on. I'm not going to treat on them today. If you are interested on this course, call me on my number +4474 7106 1261. It's a very wide course, a very, very wide course. Fundamental of testing. Why is testing necessary? Why do you think testing is necessary in the whole world? What is testing? What do you understand by testing? The 7 principles of testing. Early testing save time and money. Testing show the presence of defect, not the absence. Absence of error is a fallacy. Beware of pesticide paradox. Defect clustering together. So this one's the psychology of testing, code of ethics in testing. Code of ethics in testing. Number 1, you have what we call public. You don't have to conduct a test on something that you know that is wrong. You know that this thing will cause damage to the public. As a tester, you don't have to involve yourself in conducting tests on such a thing. 2, have another one we call products. When you see a product that you know that is not good, it's not something that needs to be sent to the public, you don't have to involve yourself. Then another one is self. As a tester, you have to enroll yourself in order to get more experience. Enroll yourself on other things like seminars, other things that has to do with software tester. Then another one is between you and your employer. As a tester, when you have a customer, that 2 customers, maybe one person knows about software testing and the other one doesn't know anything about software testing, and they come to you, you don't have to treat the other one that doesn't know about software testing. You don't have to treat that one anyhow, and give all the audience to the one that knows things about software testing. You have to treat both of them equal. Or maybe because you see that this one doesn't know anything, then you have to charge the other one differently and others. So as a software tester, you don't have to do that. Then another one, colleagues. You have to treat your colleagues well, the way you want them to be treat you. You also treat them the same thing. So these are the testing ethics. You have to have all these things that will make you a good tester. So this is the first stage. We still have so many of them. We have testing throughout the software life cycle. We have software development models. We have test levels. We have test type. We have maintenance testing. We have static techniques and the test process, review process, static analysis by tools. We have testing design techniques, the test development process, categories of test design techniques, specification based techniques, and black box, structural based techniques, white box, experience based techniques, choosing test techniques, test management, test organization, test planning and estimation, test process, test monitoring and control, configuration management, risks and testing, incident management, tool support for testing, types of test tool, effective use of tools, potential benefit and risks, introducing a tool into an organization. So many of them that we are going to treat on. It's a very, very wide course. It's a very, very wide course. I'm going to end my teaching here this evening. Please do not there's danger in waiting. Time wastage is not good. Please enroll yourself on this course. It's a very lovely course. Even if you have anyone that is interested and all that, link them up. My number +44 74 71 06 6 +44 74 71 06 1261 +44 74 71 06 1261, or you can email me Chinwendu Ndubuis 87@gmail.com. you will not miss out when you enroll yourself on this course. It's a very lovely course. It's a very lovely course. You can be on your own. You can be an instructor. You can learn how to do coding. If you learn how to do coding, you know, anything, you can do anything and sell it. And but you know, when you know what you're doing, you just see yourself earning big money. So making money is not when you stress yourself, you know, overstress yourself and all that, go here and there and all that. You can be in your house and make your money. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many of them still coming up. I just introduced the course. Many of them are still coming up. Or you get the full album of it, the full album of this course. Please call me or you send me an email. I will wait for your call. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.